If your competitor research doesn't fit into a one-page report, no one's gonna read it. I'll show you in today's video how to build a competitor analysis report that stakeholders, your managers, and your whole team will actually use to make decisions. I've seen 50-page texts that get ignored. You need to respect your team's attention span, and they need to respect your work. We're focusing on high-impact insights only today. What changed? What does it matter? What do we do? I'll walk you through my exact template. It covers the big moves, creative trends, and strategic shifts. You can download this structure mentally and in the link in the description down below. And then you'll be able to use it for your next meeting. Also, most competitor reports that I've seen are screenshots and vibes. Let's fix this with real data. I'll show you how to go from intelligence to insights to actions. Your next competitor report can be done in hours and minutes, not weeks. I'll show you how to do this effectively. Also, there's a platform that just allows you to download reports built for you right away and extract the right data so you can actually create the right insights that will matter to your team. This platform is called Panoramata. It's a platform that allows you to track all your competitors automatically so you don't have to think about this anymore. You'll be able to access all your competitors' campaigns, emails, ads, landing pages, social posts, and much more. On top of the data, you're also able to create your own reports, rank all your competitors, grade them, rank them super easily to export the data right away so your report is available in a matter of seconds instead of days. So, in today's video, we'll use a clean template: market map, positioning, channels, creatives, and opportunities. Then at the beginning, we'll also add a too long didn't read, an executive summary that kind of force decisions. And I'll show you how to keep it updated monthly without rewriting everything. First, let's define the question the report answers. Then we'll pick the metrics, and then we'll write the conclusion with the recommended moves. This is the best way to build a competitive analysis report. By the end of this video, you'll have a plug-and-play doc structure you can use that will actually make a difference and that everyone will read. Usually reports fail when they are too broad or too narrow. The best one, they actually manage to balance details and actions at the same time. So, in your report, you should only include what matters to your strategy. There are a few metrics that you can pick. Usually, it's best to rely on publicly available metrics so you can reuse over time. Traffic engagement, social activities, estimates in pricing, and the main positioning your competitors are using in their ads as well. That allows you to include competitors' profiles consistently, and every time you should start with your most significant competitors. Also, comparative analysis should focus on the decision-driving dimensions. I have one big tip here before you get to start to write your competitive report. Think of it as a storyteller. It's not about just information, it's about making decisions. All your reports should answer this: what are we doing next? So the first thing is you should define your scope and your competitors. Here's a quick classification you can use between your direct competitors that are targeting the same customers with the same solution and your indirect competitors. They're targeting the same customers but with a different solution. Don't select more than 5-10 competitors. That's the big maximum, otherwise you'll just dilute the insights. 5 is a great number, maybe 3 direct and 2 indirect competitors. Then to get started, create a quick one-page profile per competitor. Just include their positioning, the target audiences they do have, the main use cases that they're highlighting, their pricing, the key differentiators, and their strongest channels. Quick tip here, I usually like to pick for each competitor 2 channels maximum. One quick, one slow. SEO is a slow channel, paid ad is a quick channel. So just highlight the main 2 channels that they're using, because a company rarely relies on more than 2 strong channels. So pick the main 2 that they're good at, and that will help you make a stronger competitive analysis report right away. Then, for each one of your competitors, gather marketing evidence, not opinions. Collect their campaigns, their email campaigns and their ads, their landing pages and their whole funnel, their emails and the flows and the sequences, their reviews and the comments online, their product updates and the pricing changes. This is where a platform can help because manual collection is a nightmare. I agree. That's why there are platforms that are actually allowing you to do this automatically. Panoramata is the best one to do this because automatically you'll be able to get access to not only all their campaigns, emails, ads, landing pages, social, and much more, but also tools and features to help you find the right inspiration, compare them all automatically, create real-time automated benchmark, and rank them all in a click. Also on Panoramata, you want to have a competitive analysis report. It just takes a click and you have a one-pager report with a summary of the recent moves and all their marketing digital campaign, their positioning ready to be shared and read. Something that you might want to include as well in a competitive analysis report is a benchmark of your own performance against them. For this, the easiest way to do this is to add a comparison table, your offer versus theirs, across feature set, pricing logic, proof and trust, and their funnel conversion points as well. You're looking for why do buyers choose them and where do we win? And those are the best way for you to turn findings into recommendations. So you should end your report with 3 threats to watch, 3 opportunities to pursue, and 3 experiments to run in the next 30 days. And that's what makes your report actionable. And at the end, of course, you might need to update this report regularly because competitors changes. So set a schedule at the very beginning, maybe monthly or quarterly. And again, this is where a platform like Panoramata can help you because you'll make this super easily. Here's the main takeaway today. If your report doesn't end with experiments, it's just a document. So you need to build it to drive action and then keep it alive with the right updates. Again, you need anything, Panoramata is here to help you and you'll be able to generate any kind of competitive analysis reports in a click with one goal in mind so you can outperform them effectively.